What's the meaning of bedsore? Bedsore. Bedsore.
Bedsore. Bedsore. A bedsore, also known as a pressure ulcer or decubitus ulcer, is a type of injury to the skin and underlying tissues that occurs due to prolonged pressure on particular areas of the body. Bedsores typically develop in individuals who are bedridden or wheelchair-bound for long periods of time, as well as those with poor circulation, malnutrition, or who are unable to move. These injuries can range from mild reddening of the skin to severe tissue damage that extends deep into the muscle and bone. Proper skin care, mobility, and positioning can help prevent the development of bedsores, while early intervention is essential for effective treatment.